Aftab Imam Saab, a dear friend and very big supporters to Make-A-Wish Pakistan. Mr. Bhutto is also here. And of course, Justice Ashraf Jahan, who is also Make-A-Wish trustee, and some other trustees are present here. Dr. Najia Ashraf, Dr. Pran Isa, and my brother, Akhtiar Beg, and of course, his family. Also present today, some leading celebrities. They will be here any moment, so you can meet them. They will be here, and I think Aisha has already mentioned their name over here. Here, a little bit about Make-A-Wish Pakistan. That Make-A-Wish Pakistan is the affiliate member of Make-A-Wish International. Uh, this the biggest wish granting organization in 50 countries, and Pakistan is the affiliate member. Since inception 13 years ago, the foundation has granted thousands of wishes of the children in Pakistan. Many children are not among us today, but we are glad, we are delighted. These children, they left this world with a smile on their faces because their most cherished wish was fulfilled in this world. People of Pakistan, now I am addressing to the chief guest of today's Mr. Engin, that the people of Pakistan, they consider you as a hero, and you are the hero of the Muslim world. You are not only a great star, but you are also a great human being who is doing great work for the humanity. I read about you that in Africa, you have done a lot of good work for the poor people, especially, the drinking water in many rural areas. You took initiative. And today, when Make-A-Wish Pakistan contacted you, we know how busy and how precious is. You told us that don't worry about me whenever it's convenient for you. And now these three children who are here, they are very excited. They are very happy because their most cherished wish is going to be fulfilled in a little while. Like I said, that the foundation Make-A-Wish, always they have granted very unique wish. But today's wish is very unique because the whole Pakistan is watching you. How popular you are, you can't imagine over here. Not among the viewers who love you, who adore you, but also Make-A-Wish children. They love you and they adore you. I tell you one thing, if you will contest an election in Pakistan, honestly, you will win the election and you can be a member of the parliament here. So don't forget, try your luck here. And Pakistan, they are full of love and affections for you.
Thank you.
These children are from the less privileged families, and they could have asked any wish, material wish. If they would have asked us to give them any car, we would have given them. They would have asked us to give them any expensive mobile, we would have given them. But the wish was that they wanted to meet you. It shows their love and their affections for you. Turkey and Pakistan are two brother countries. His Excellency is sitting here, a dear brother, the Consul General of Turkey. He always supported Pakistan in every difficult time and tough time. Turkey has always supported. And now your play is like a bridge, is playing a role of bringing two more people together. And Make-A-Wish is also bringing the two people of two countries more closer. Today, I had two more children from Lahore, which is another city, but somehow these children could not make it because not well. But I am bringing them to Istanbul to meet you. And I hope that you will give us the time and you will meet these children over there. At the end, I would like you to visit Pakistan as a special guest of Make-A-Wish Pakistan. There are more children, like I said, who wish to meet you in person. May God give you good health, success, and prosperity to continue the noble work of the Muslim. Pakistan, Turkey, friendship. Zindabad.
Thank you, Mr. Ishtiyaq Beg. That was, you said everything. जो मैंने कहना था सब आपने कह दिया. But I mean, Pakistan, Turkey friendship Zindabad. And now I would like to invite the children. Where are the children? Where are they sitting? Here. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum. आपको नजर आ रहे हैं? कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इनसे? बिल्कुल कहना चाहेंगे. Engin, can you see the three children?
I can't see
if we
anything
could zoom
now.
in on the children. You can't see anything. Okay. We've lost our side of the... Now you can
Yes,
see. Okay,
now,
great.
yes, I
So,
Hello,
these are the
guys.
three...
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Can we have mics for the children? That'd be great. So these are the three children who have made all our wishes come true. I mean, हम सबकी wish in जैसे पूरी हो रही है. So can you introduce yourself? आप अपना नाम बताओ.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम सुहेल है और मैंने ये ड्रामा पीटीवी पर देखा तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई क्योंकि इसके इस्लाम के बारे में इस्लाम की तारीख बताई गई है. उसमें बताया गया है कि कितने ही बहादुर जंगजू थे जो इस्लाम के लिए लड़ते थे और वो किसी से नहीं डरते थे, अल्लाह की रज़ा के लिए लड़ते थे. और मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, मुझे इस ड्रामे में बहुत अच्छी लगी जो कि हमारे नबी हजरत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का नाम लिया जाता तो आप दिल पर हाथ रखते, जो कि बहुत अच्छी बात है.
मैं उनको बताती हूँ कि आप क्या कह रहे हो. Let me translate for you. This is Suhail, and Suhail has just said that I saw your show Ertrol on our local channel, PTV channel, and I loved it because it's telling us about our Islamic history, and it's showing us how the heroes in our Islamic history, how they used to fight. They were not afraid of anybody. They were not afraid to lose their lives. And the thing he loved the most, your hand on your heart, and that's a gesture that he loves the most about the show. And I think we would all like to start doing that. Hum sabko karna chahiye, hai na? That's what he said to you. Do you have anything to say to him, Engin?
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm very happy for this love, actually, and I can see we have inspired you, and yeah, it's very difficult role, but it was amazing. So I'm very happy for love. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. वो कह रहे हैं कि बहुत शुक्रिया आपके प्यार का. उनको नजर आ रहा है कि आप सब बहुत प्यार करते हैं, सो वो अपने दिल से
एक्टिंग है वो बहुत रियल लगती है. जिस तरीके से आप लड़ते हैं, तलवार से आप अपनी लड़ते हैं, तुर्गुत अपनी कुल्हाड़ी चलाते हैं, वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Done.
जब ड्रामे के ड्रेस में मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, बहुत अच्छे. आज मैं हलीमा सुल्तान का ड्रेस पहन के
ठीक है, बोलो फिजा।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम फिजा है। मैं आपका ड्रामा बहुत शौक से देखती हूँ। सबसे पहले इसका ट्रेलर पीटीवी और यूट्यूब में जब से मुतासिर हुए। आप मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, आपके चलने फिरने का अंदाज बहुत अच्छा लगता है। मेरी ख्वाहिश थी कि मैं आपसे मिलूं और मेकअप विश वालों ने मेरी ख्वाहिश पूरी की। थैंक यू।
Yes, Humayun and Zebab are here. हम आते हैं बाद में. So, where did I lose you? That Suhail is dressed up in, the attire from the show, from that time
Yes,
period,
yes, I can see.
and he'd like to show it to you. So, आप खड़े हो दिखाओ. All three of them are wearing outfits from that time period. From okay, we'll bring them in front.
Oh, it's lovely.
And that's Sidra. This is Fiza. Sidra is dressed up as Halime Sultan, and she wants to know how she's looking. Is she looking like Halime?
Yeah, yeah, of course, she's look like Halima.
This is Sidra.
Yes, of course, she's look like Halima.
Okay,
She's
and
so
she
sweet.
बिल्कुल आप बिल्कुल लग रही हैं हलीमे की तरह, बहुत अच्छी लग रही हैं. And both the girls also love the show, and they express their wish to meet you, and they're very thankful to you and Make-A-Wish Foundation that their wish has come true. They're extremely happy, and they love the show and they love you. So that's what they were saying.
Thanks,
Thank you.
thanks for bringing us together. Thank you very much.
And now there's a special gift for you, Engin. The children, the three children, and Mr. Ishtiyaq Beg would like to present a gift to you. It's a
Thank you.
sword, and it's for you from us. And of course, because you can't physically receive it, I would like to invite the Turkish Council General, His Excellency, and Mr. Ikhtiar Beg,
Come here,
His
beta, all the three
Excellency
children.
Tolga Ucha.
Now I want to tell you one thing. Engin, this is a very special sword which was made on order. And there is written La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, which is engraved.
Thank
Since you are not present here, on your behalf, we are giving this sword from Make-A-Wish Children to you, which His Excellency, the Consul General, will deliver it, to you. And
you.
especially if somebody can put a little bit camera on it,
Yeah.
you can see La ilaha illallah Muhammadul Rasulullah, which is engraved on the sword over here. So now we are giving it on your behalf, this sword, to His Excellency, the Consul General, and with us also, the Commissioner of Karachi is here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Excellency, come here. Excellency, come on, beta. Aisha, you come here also. इधर आ जाएं आयशा, बैलेंस हो जाएगा. It's a beautiful sword, beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, beta. Thank you so much. Excellency, this is your responsibility. Yeah, to deliver him. Thank you so much. चलो आइए बेटा बैठे यहाँ पे.
Thank you so much. That sword is beautiful. I'm going to come to you in just a minute, Engin, but before that, I'd like to invite someone very special. She sung the original theme song of Ertrol, the Pakistani version. She sung it in Arabic and in Urdu, and she sung lots of soundtracks before. And she sung it in very beautifully. So I'd like to invite her, and we're going to play the theme song. Miss Middat Hayat, she's also a volunteer of Make-A-Wish Foundation. Hi Middat, Assalamu alaikum. Aap gayengi? Do you want to stand in the center? Great. Okay. So Middat is going to sing for us.
Thank you.
Thank you, Middat. That was beautiful. Thank you. Middat is also a volunteer of Make-A-Wish Foundation, and she sings beautifully. Thank you. And now we're coming to you, Engin. It's time for us to finally hear your remarks about how you feel meeting these three children virtually, of course. And yeah, please.
It's amazing for me, of course. Thank you very much to Make-A-Wish, and thank you guys for watching us. And we have inspired you, and it's very, very important for us. Thank you very much for everything, and I hope we can see you one day. Thank you very much for everything.
Thank you. Yes, we hope to also meet you very, very soon. I finally figured out which camera was capturing me so I can look at you. I think it was that one. But we also hear that you will be visiting Pakistan soon, and we cannot wait. So thank you. Thank you for this.
Thank
And
you.
now I'd like to invite the Turkish Honorary Consul General, His Excellency, Consul General, His Excellency Mr. Tolga Ocak, to come and say a few words. Please, His Excellency.
Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon. And today, with the kind invitation of the Ishtiaq Baik and the Baik family, we are together here for the, of course, for the wish of the kids. And I would like to also thank our hero, Engin Bey, Engin Altan Tüzyatan. We are together indeed from the same university. I also study in the same university, the Kuzeyli University with him. But I am a bit older than him. But I'm maybe 2 years older than him. But I'm here almost for 3 years. And that's why I know how the Pakistani people have a big heart for Turkish people here, because I am a part of it now after 3 years. Thank you very much for Pakistan for keeping us in their hearts. And believe us that we also, Turkish people, keep you in our heart very sincerely. And especially for the kids, we can do everything. That's why Engin Bey is now with us today. That's why for the kids, for our future, we have to look back always the history, and history teach us sometimes. And that's why he has a big mission in this serial and this drama. And today we have, of course, also very talented producers and actors, Humayun Said, with us. And we know him very well in Turkey also. Everybody is fan of him also. That's why we have some cross-cultural contributions for our relations. And this will also affect the youth and the younger generation that will continue our continuous relation in a deep and sincere way. Thank you very much again for the kind invitation.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency. You're absolutely right. We love the Turkish, and we also know that the Turkish love us. Thank you so much. And we're very grateful to Turkey for actually creating this show, because I don't think there's any show in the world that is depicting Islamic history so beautifully. Thank you so much. And yes, you have a very big mission and you're fulfilling it very well. And now I'm going to move on to some of the very important people from our industry who are sitting right in front of us. Mr. Humayun Said, he's one of the top actors of the country. He's also a director, and he's also a producer. And Ms. Zeba Bakhtiar is also one of the top actors, producers, directors of our country. Seated next to her is Mr. Nadeem Beg, who is one of the top, in fact, the top director of Pakistan right now. And they will be visiting Turkey very soon as well. And I will now send the mic over to them if they have a few words to say to you. Yes, I'm going to call them here. Humayun, aa jaiye. Mr. Humayun Said. I think if we were to make a version of Ertugrul, Humayun would play your character.
Ah,
Hello,
hello, salam alaikum.
Engin. Abe. Inshallah, we will meet you soon. After
Inshallah,
this.
inshallah.
I watched all your episodes, like 400 or 500 episodes, and the main reason was your acting. Seriously, the way you perform your character, the way you carried your, character, the way you fight, the way you do all action scenes, they were really, really good.
Thank you very much.
Seriously, I watched all the episodes just because of you.
Thanks.
इश्तियाक भाई, आपने और मैं भी 2 दफा इन बच्चों से मिल चुका हूँ और ख्वाहिशात को पूरा किया है, और यकीनन इनकी ये भी ख्वाहिश होगी कि अर्तुगरुल से आज हम सब मिल रहे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू अर्तुगरुल. अर्तुगरुल, Engin. Thank you.
Thank you, Humayun. And now I'd like to invite Ms. Zeba Bakhtiar to come and say a few words.
I'm so sorry, but I don't have too much time and I have to go to meeting now.
Oh, wow.
Yes, so sorry.
Yes, sorry. You don't have too much.
It's a contribution to Islamic history. Thank you so much.
Okay, so we're going to wrap up the session. Thank you so much, Engin, for your precious time.
you.
We're going to take one photograph. It's going to take literally 1 minute. So can I have everybody up here for a photograph?
Thank you.
And then we're going to say goodbye to you. Okay, all the children. Hello. Thank you so much for your precious time. Engin, just one last question. Do you have 1 or 2 minutes or do you have to go right now?
I have to go right now.
You have to go right now. Okay.
I'm so
We
sorry.
wanted the press to ask a few questions, but unfortunately he has to leave. No, not at all. We totally understand. Thank you. We love you once again. Cannot wait to meet you. And you're just amazing. Thank you for this.
Thank you very much. Thank you for everything.
Thank you.
So,
And he's gone. Guys, of course, by time ki to बहुत कीमती time है, and I think we started a few minutes late. Otherwise, we would have, had the media ask a few questions. लेकिन this is just beautiful कि ये हुआ भी. Physically possible तो नहीं था एंगन का यहाँ पे आना, लेकिन virtually अब possible है. यही है हमारा new normal. इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्द मुझे लगता है अगले महीने physically खुद आ रहे हैं एंगन. So any other, I think we should have इश्तियाक साहब आपको मीडिया से कुछ interaction. So any questions that the media has, तो इश्तियाक साहब आपसे आ जाइए.
Thank you very much. First of all, again, one more time, I will thank you to all the guests who are present here today. It was very limited gathering because we just invited very few people over here, the people who are a great supporter of Make-A-Wish. And Engin, everybody know how busy he is. He gave us 1 hour. We were a little bit late, but soon there are 2 more kids. We are talking to them, and hopefully that he's going to give us the time, and we will take these kids to Istanbul to meet him physically over there. Children's come here, please. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे मैं आपको अब उर्दू में बतलाना चाहता हूँ about Make-A-Wish. Like we said कि हम 13,000 wishes को पूरा कर चुके हैं, और ये बच्चे इस वक्त जो हमारे साथ हैं ये भी क्रिटिकली इल बीमारियों में हैं. बड़े प्यारे बच्चे हैं, एंड इस्लाम से कितना प्यार करते हैं, एंगिन को कितना लाइक करते हैं. अगर ये चाहते तो हमसे कोई विश मांग सकते थे, बट दे सेड कि नहीं जी, अवर विश इज टू मीट हिम. एंड इंशाल्लाह मोर बच्चों को हम लेके जाएंगे. जैसे मैंने आपको कहा कि मेक-ए-विश फाउंडेशन का मिशन है कि कोई बच्चा कोई ख्वाहिश लेके इस दुनिया से रुखसत नहीं हो और एक चेहरे पे उसकी मुस्कुराहट हो. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं कि हम काफ़ी ख्वाहिशात पूरी कर चुके हैं इसके अंदर, बट टुडेज विश वाज वेरी यूनिक विश, एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी कि द चिल्ड्रंस दे आर हैप्पी. एंड टुडे आज इन्होंने गेटअप भी उसी ड्रेस के अंदर किया है, और Make-A-Wish की वॉलंटियर ने जो सॉन्ग किया है. हमायूं, थैंक यू सो मच. जेबा, थैंक यू सो मच. बेग साहब, थैंक यू सो मच, आप लोग यहाँ पे आए. एंड आल्सो कमिश्नर कराची, द कौंसल जनरल ऑफ टर्की, एंड ख़ास तौर पे Make-A-Wish की जो ट्रस्टीज यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं, Justice Saiba, thank you so much. आप आए. आफ्ताब साहब is a very great fan of and he always supported Make-A-Wish, and he's here also. तो थैंक यू वेरी मच. और चाय का इंतज़ाम हमने यहाँ पे किया है. जब तक हम चाय पियेंगे, यही प्ले सॉन्ग जो है हमारे इद्दत ने गाया है, मैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा इद्दत एक बार इस सॉन्ग को फिर आप प्ले कर दें, या तो गा के या प्ले करके. इन द मीन टाइम चाय का इंतज़ाम यहाँ पे हुआ है. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबॉडी. शुक्रिया.
Thank you everybody for being here. बहुत शुक्रिया. आप लोगों के साथ पिक्चर होगी. Yes, can we have the guests again for a group picture so that we can do a nice group picture?
बेगम साहबा थोड़ा गिफ्ट लाई हैं बच्चों के लिए. बच्चों बेटा इधर आए. एंड थैंक यू अगेन फॉर द मीडिया हु आर हियर टुडे टू मेक दिस इवेंट वेरी सक्सेसफुल. मीडिया हैज ऑलवेज सपोर्टेड मेक ए विश. मैं आपका बड़ा शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं मीडिया का कि मीडिया जो यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं. आई होप कि आप लोगों की ये सपोर्ट जो है वो मेक ए विश को हमेशा जो है वो कंटिन्यू रहेगी. थैंक यू वेरी मच. मैं यहाँ पे मेक ए विश की ट्रस्टी हैं जस्टिस अशरफ, उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि मेक ए विश के लिए वो कुछ गिफ्ट्स लाई हैं यहाँ पे उन बच्चों को. इंतजाम किया हुआ जी. प्लीज ज्वाइन अस ओवर द ट्री प्लीज. थैंक यू सो मच. जितने भी हमारे बोर्ड ऑफ ट्रस्टीज और हमारे वीआईपीस आए हुए हैं वो अपनी सीट पे ही तशरीफ रखें क्योंकि चाय वहाँ पे सर्व की जाएगी और बाकी चाय का इंतजाम जो है सब वहाँ पे किया गया है. प्लीज. थैंक यू सो मच.